constituency, Meghalaya. The Honourable Speaker will now administer the oath to the newly elected member, Dr. Mehtab Chandee A Sangma. Honourable Speaker, please.
I,
Srimati Mehtab Chandee A Sangma, have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
congratulations, Dr. Mehtab Chandee A Sangma is now a full-fledged member of the 11th House of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Congratulations once again.
I'm going to 30th.
30th also. Acha, so 1 to 2. So the FRU in Resu, shall we do it on our way to do that? If you are doing it, is it too tight?
Because we should get there by lunch, otherwise traffic.
Like that. So we'll do it on another day then? Because it's scheduled. So.
But in the program, it's very simple.
This one, on behalf of all of you.
Yeah, you can
No, on behalf of all of you. You are the leader on behalf of the house.
Should I give first? Or
Yeah. Speaker, sir.
Come on. Just give from us. I'll come. Okay.
Eine.
So the program is concluded.
Okay, yes.
Thank you.